Good day, everyone. My name is Omotola Fayomi. Let's continue looking at complete WAEC study that I was talking about. I was saying that there is 6 month timetable. When we were discussing about science the other time, science class, we looked at English, maths, chemistry, physics, biology. Now let's look at this timetable for the commercial classes, those core subjects that we talked about. English and maths being the compulsory ones, and economics, commerce, and financial accounting. And as I've said, the week, the timetable is designed in a way that it can help the WAEC candidate to prepare. If you are a parent that still have someone or a child in SS2, this is meant for you. If you are desiring that they should write GCE this year, or they were preparing for next year's WAEC, even those ones that are writing WAEC, this year, they can likewise look at this too for them to do their revision. So this timetable will help, even if you have lesson teacher. As I have said, it is programmed in a way that 7 p.m. every day, Monday to Friday, Saturday, Monday English, Tuesday maths, Wednesday, in this case, economics, Thursday commerce, Friday financial accounting, then revision of all those on Saturday. So let's go on that platform to see. As I have said, that this platform is linked to YouTube video that is relevant to that topic. So in a way, your child will be able to watch a lesson within a space of time, within that 1 minute, and jot some things down. Don't forget they should jot some things down. You can create a WhatsApp group with your spouse, with your child, be involved if they have their own phone, to be sending reports, snap or write those things that they read. Even if you are together, or your spouse are, you are together with your spouse, or distance, or you, when they do all those things, let them be jotting things down, and you just do monitor them, at least for accountability sake. So on the side for economics, for week 1, the topic there is an introduction to economics, definition, scope, and basics. Just the commercial class is blue color, and it is after the science class. Science class is green color. Just scroll down to commercial class, which is blue color, week 1. So I will just click on the link of WAEC tutorial. So just click on it to take us to the YouTube for that particular topic. Can you see the query shows WAEC economics introduction definition? So you see now that the thing is there. You just click on one of them. This one is 22 minutes.
Hello, I am Flash Isaac, and you are welcome to my economics class. Today, I shall be taking you through the meaning and scope of economics. What does economics mean? What does economics cover? And what does it not? I promise to make this class as simple as possible and as interesting as possible. At the same time, maintaining details.
That's for economics. Let's go to commerce. You see the same thing. Click on the link, and it take us to the commerce. If you check very well, the topic for that particular, for the one that we clicked on, is introduction to commerce, meaning, scope, branches, importance to economics. Don't forget that this particular timetable is designed in a way that by the time you run through it, it will touch the core subject that we talked about earlier, and it will also go towards the past question and some other relevant thing. And this is for your child to be taught, and to also revise with them. So the past question aspect, by the time you go down that, you can have past question hard copy and be doing some past question, doing some other things, practicing with them. You can be practicing with them, but you can, as it goes into the 6 months, you see the dynamics of them revising and being able to cover the major aspect of the subject. So let's go see commerce.
And I'll be taking you through commerce. Now we'll be talking about the introduction to commerce. Now we have the definition of commerce, the central focus of commerce, scope of commerce. Now under the scope of commerce, we have the trade, the home trade, the foreign trade, the aids to trade, and we have all this. Then we have history to commerce and e-commerce. So we'll be taking them one after the other, okay? Now we're going to start with the definition of commerce. Now commerce is a very, very interesting subject because it has to do with what we do, like it's kind of like a day-to-day activities. Now,
So that is that about commerce. What of financial accounting on that particular week? So let's click on it.
I'm the accounting tutor. So in this lab, we'll be treating introduction to accounting and bookkeeping. So this is the course outline, meaning of accounting and bookkeeping, importance of accounting and bookkeeping, uses of accounting information, limitation of accounting and information, history of accounting, professional bodies. So the meaning of accounting and bookkeeping should be first in our outline. So let me start with this. Imagine you are the owner of a business. I'm very sure your main purpose is for you to examine the performance of the business. That is, whether the business is properly run or not, or whether the business is making profit.
You can go ahead, with it as you visit the complete WAEC study platform to see all these things. Now, Saturday, you can then revise the 5 topics, make flashcards, solve 10 MCQ, that's the objective question for each subject from past questions within 1 hour of Saturday. And you go on like that into the second week, go on with that to the third week, the fourth week, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. The 6 months cover the whole thing. If you don't round up into 6 months, it will be as if you stop abruptly. So make sure you have access to go through from month 1 to month 2 to month 3 to month 4 to month 5 to month 6. The same thing for science and for art. I will talk about the art, the core subject for art class. Don't forget that these subjects are not the only subject you write in WAEC. These are prioritized one. The combination that can help you study courses in commercial courses in the university. So see you on the next one. Thank you.